Welcome back to another video. Today's gonna be a little different. Still got my knee brace on, still a little crippled, but I can limp around and do things. So I gotta do things. I can't just do nothing because I'm not like that anymore. Used to be. Used to play video games and all that, but I can't. So we got something a little different. Our good friends at AvalonKing sent us a little mail. So let's get right into it. Nice fancy. All right, step one, grab this little guy. Gives us 3 of those, very nice. Looks like, just want to do something like that. And we just something like that. It's like a little boop. You can effectively pour some droplets. Let's see if I can get the shot. Ooh, you can smell it. See it here, even you see a bunch of shiny stuff swiggling, but got about a half bottle, maybe a little more. Recommends 1 to 2 coats, no more than 3 if you really want to. A nice little indicator, that's cool, nice fancy. They sent us a window sticker, so we'll represent since they hooked us up with the goodies. Big thanks to Dipstick here for helping out. Well, I'm a little crippled, but we did it. We did it. I'm not out on the mini bike, but hopefully soon we can get on there. Because, chicken, a little scared of the mini bike. But, well, it's been a few days now. Got her nice and did. Ceramic coated by the our friends at AvalonKing. Give them a check out if you want. I'll put all the links and stuff down below in the description and in the comments. Nice clickable link you should be able to use if they can see you if anyone checks them out. And it's a pretty easy basic application. This ain't no guide on how to do it or nothing, but it's fairly simple. If Doodle can do it, you can probably do it. Just forward focus. I'm sure y'all got something better that you actually like, love a long time, but give them a check out. Thanks for supporting. Thanks to them. Thanks to Patreons. Thanks to people liking, sharing, subscribing, supporting the channel any way, shape, or form that you do. And we'll see you in the next one. Oh shit! Oh! Yeah, pull it hard as you can out. 2 hands. Hard as you can. Pull it. Pull it. Almost. A little more. A little more. A little more. There you go. Now you're tough. Thank you.